Hi guys, this is Osama and I'm back with another video series. It's been a long time since I last posted here on YouTube and well, even this is regarding university coursework. So I'm going to be posting weekly updates here for the final group projects of my object-oriented programming course. We've chosen to create the arcade game Arkanoid, also known as the Brick Breaker, which you can probably see on your screen right now. The programming language that we'll be using is going to be C++ with the extension library SDL2. So this is going to be the basic structure of our game as you can see right now. Let's just pause this for a second. As you can see, this is the sprite sheet that we are going to be using. Some of these sprites I've simply borrowed from the internet, the others I just created using Photoshop. As you can see, we are going to be having different types of bricks, different types of balls, pedals, power-ups, etc. There are going to be one hit bricks, there are going to be two hit, three hit, and then these are the animation frames for the explosion. And we are also going to be having steel bricks, which are going to be part of the level. Okay, so this is our UML diagram for the game. I'll just briefly go over the functionality of these classes. The colors indicate how we've divided the work among our group. The classes in gray are responsible for handling all the background work, such as storing, accessing, and deleting the objects that will be essentially rendered on the screen. Other than this, all the objects that we'll be rendering on the screen, such as this paddle, brick, and ball, also this board, are all inheriting from this common entity class. I know there are issues with this UML, but this is what we have on us right now. We will be refining it as we progress. This linked list, it is basically a double linked list which is going to be storing a pointer to this entity class. So basically, whatever objects that we'll be rendering on the screen are essentially going to be stored in this linked list. Classes in red are basically going to handle all the menus of the game, the main menu, the splash screen, all the characters and the buttons that we'll be using, and also the pause menu. This file IO class is also necessary because we will be reading levels from text files, and we will also be writing save states and loading save states using file input and output. So this is the basic structure of our UML.